Happy birthday, Sis Corinne. What can I say? Well, your voice gift. Thanks for your talent for sharing with us. May your day be as wonderful as your music. And our fellow fan of Jungkook, Karaya's on TS. And so, well, I know that you love Jungkook more than me. Well, I give it to you since it's your birthday anyway. It's so cool, that we share same favorite singer. I hope your special day is filled with love, laughter, and everything you deserve. And I wish you good health again. Happy birthday, God bless, and take care.
Hello everyone! I would like to greet a happy birthday to you, DJ Kurin. Yan, si Kurin, ang napakasipag at active lang din sa atin pong one, si LFM. Si DJ Kurin, ang napaka-sexy at napakaganda at napakabait. Oh, nasa kanya na lahat. Nasa iyo na ang lahat. Oh. Sakupin mo na ang lahat. And God bless you always. Happy birthday. Sana ay maging matatag ka, matapang, o di ba? Matapang at higit sa lahat, stay humble and beautiful. Yan. Happy birthday to you, DJ Corinne. More birthdays to come. God bless you. And I'm DJ Kapitan. Happy birthday.
Hi, Corinne. Happy birthday. Best wishes on your birthday. Many more birthdays to come. Happiness, good health, and enjoy your special day. God bless you. It's soon at Minsan. Love you. Mwah.
Hey Green, I just want to say happy birthday to you and hope your day is as wonderful as you are.
Happy birthday to you, Kay. You are such a beautiful and talented person. Singer, binayayaan ng magandang tinig o boses. Bonus pa na magaling mag-drawing o gumuhit. And a beautiful face. Gising na gising ka, Kay, nang sumabog ng biyaya ang Diyos. Sinalungan ng lahat. I feel lucky that I know someone as inspiring as you. I hope today surrounds you with so much love, laughter, and all the little things that makes you the happiest. You truly brighten the lives of those around you with your kindness, creativity, and energy. May this year bring you even more amazing opportunities, exciting adventures, and unforgettable memories. Keep shining and being your incredible self. The world is so much better with you in it. Wishing you the happiest birthday ever. Once again, happy birthday, Corinne.
Hello, happy birthday, Corinne, my love. Ayan, more blessing, more years to come. Sana makamit mo yung lahat ng mga dreams mo sa buhay. At good luck. At sana matagpuan mo na yung Mr. Right sa buhay mo. I love you, my love. Ayan, si love ko yan si Corinne. Ayan, napakabait na niya. Napakasayin. Kaya, naging ko yan si Corinne. Si love. Ikaw palagi at masaya ka at i-celebrate mo yung birthday mo ng masayang-masaya at marami pang taon na dumating para sa iyo. Happy birthday, love. This your love. I love you, love. Happy birthday. Mwah.
Happy birthday, my loves. May you have many more birthdays to come. Enjoy. Have a blast.
Happy birthday, DJ Corin. Enjoy your special day. Ang wish ko para sa iyo, sana matupad mo lahat ang mga pangarap mo sa buhay. At ipagkalob ito sa iyo ng ating Panginoon. At sana maraming blessings ang dumating sa iyo at bigyan Lord ng maayos na kalusugan at sa iyong pamilya. Sana bigyan pa Lord ng maraming birthday karawan na iyong i-celebrate at ingat ka po palagi. Ang bumabati ay si Angel. Happy birthday ulit, sis. Love you.
Sanahel wayagamil, Sanahel wayagamil, Sanahel wayagamil. Happy birthday, Corin.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday po, Ate Corin. We wish you a beautiful day. Kami ay natutuwa na makasama ka sa Tel FM. At salamat din sa pagpapabuhay ng Sebe, pag-host and DJ. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po, Ate Corin. Wish you po good health and thank you rin po sa parating pag-DJ sa CB natin at sa pag-host minsan. Happy birthday po ulit, Ate Corin.